Good day, ma'am. I'm Rencio Smith Dibalot from BSIT 2-1, and today I'm going to present to you my video presentation of my final project. So, we are here in the wp-config.php kung saan sinesetup nito ang ating database na gagamitin para sa ating WordPress site. So, first of all, let's go to the line 23, which is dinedefine niya yung database name na dof underscore database. Next naman is go tayo sa line 26, which is dinedefine niya naman dito is yung user na ginamit natin sa ating server, which is yung root. Next is line 29. Dito naman is dinefine niya naman yung database password ng ating server na ginagamit, which is yung blank. So, it means wala tayong password. Next naman po is sa line 32. Dinedefine niya naman dito yung host na ginamit natin, which is yung ating local host. Next is yung dbCharset, dinedefine niya naman as yung value na UTF-8MB4. So, overall, yun lang naman po ang ating basic na ginagamit or ginagawa ng ating wp-config.php na sinesetup niya po yung database na gagamitin natin para sa ating WordPress site. So, let's go to the next part of our video, which is maglalagin tayo as admin. So, papasok tayo sa ating website as admin. So, dito naman po sa admin, first of all, ang ginamit ko pong theme is ang Themify Ultra. So, ito po yung ginamit kong theme sa entire website ko. So, let's go to the next is yung plugins. So, ang mga ginamit ko pong plugins sa aking website ay ang Builder Contact, Post Slider and Carousel with Widget, and the Post Grid. And lastly, sa Customize naman po tayo pumunta. So, ito po ang mga customized CSS ko na ginawa. First of all, yung content po, nilagyan ko po siya ng padding na 0 para walang spaces dito sa taas. Next naman po is yung f-video. In-overflow hidden ko lang po yung ito pong video na to. And then, next naman po is yung header natin, which is itong header na to. Sinet ko lang po yung height niya as 45px. And then, header, wrap. Next naman po ito, sinet ko naman po yung background niya as this value. Next is yung sidebar po, dinisplayan ko lang. Next is yung layout, sinenter ko lang po siya. And lastly, dito po yung gumamit po ako ng media query where when max width is 1100px, yung icon po na search is mawawala. Ito po. So, overall, that's all about the admin side of my website po. So, let's go to the final part ng ating video. So, this is my website po. Ito po ang aking landing page. This is the header with 45px, master header with 140px. And this is my banner. So, this is the latest release section po. Next naman po is yung advocacy section. Ito nga po pala yung slider or plugin na ginamit ko. And then, advocacy section, feature video section.
Mr. Chairman,
And then, the public statement of DOF. And then, contact. So, ito po ang aking footer. Dito po yung mga DOF agencies. and the copyright. So next page naman po is yung about. So this is the about page. Vision and mission of the website. Power functions. Next naman po is yung secretary page. Next is the news page, where yung mga posts page ko po is napupunta dito sa news page using yung plugin po na ginamit ko na ito po, yung post grid. So this is the news sa aking post. So when we click the read more button po is mapupunta tayo sa more detailed na page. Then pwede po tayo mag-comment like that. And lastly, the contact. So ito po yung contact page ko. Ang ginamit ko po dito is yung plugin na Builder Contact. So overall, yun po yung nilalaman ng aking website. And let's go to the responsiveness naman po. Ito po siya pag naka-mobile view. So next page, about. Secretary page. News. So that's it po. Overall, yun po ang aking project. Thank you ma'am for watching.